Nose blackheads removal deep pore cleaning transformation you didn't notice. Most people think their skin is clean because they can't see the problem. But what if the real issue is hidden inside the pores? Today, we're taking a closer look at nose blackheads removal with a deep pore cleaning transformation, focusing on what you don't notice. The hidden layer. Blackheads don't always sit on the surface. Many of them develop deeper inside the pores, slowly building up over time. A mix of oil, sebum, dead skin cells, environmental debris, creates layers you can't easily see. Why it often goes unnoticed. From a distance, skin can look smooth. But under magnification, pores tell a different story. Tiny clogs, hidden buildup, and early-stage blackheads are already forming. Step 1. Surface cleanse. We begin by removing surface oils and impurities. This prepares the skin for deeper cleaning. Step 2. Pore softening. Steam is applied to loosen what's trapped inside. The pores begin to open, making extraction more effective. Step 3. First extractions. The first blackheads are removed. Some are small, barely noticeable, but they've been there for a while. Step 4. Revealing the hidden buildup. As the process continues, more buildup is revealed. What looked like clean skin actually held multiple clogged pores. This is where the transformation begins. Step 5. Deep cleaning the pores. Each pore is cleared completely. No hidden buildup remains. The skin starts to look more refined and even. Step 6. Calming the skin. After extraction, a soothing treatment is applied. This helps reduce redness and restore balance. Final results. Before, looked clean. But wasn't. After, truly clean pores and smoother skin, a deep pore cleaning transformation you can actually see. Final message. Just because you can't see it doesn't mean it's not there. Healthy skin starts below the surface. If you found this transformation satisfying, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more skincare content.